What's up guys, I'm Matthew Master Battles. Today I've got a battle between Rock Leone, 145, Wide Ball, and a Lightning L-Drago. There we go, 100, whole flat. So, let's see how this is. I think it should be fun. I had a feeling Leone was going to get caught in one of those where L-Drago was initiating, you know, like at an angle, and he just popped. And that's what happened. Ooh. Leone got popped again. Pretty quickly. He did get knocked down again. Sometimes, like, if I launch it right, like, I launch Leone and this happens, then I'll just redo it, because I don't think that's really fair, but he, stayed in there for a second and got hit twice. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's 3-1. We're gonna keep going, because this is a really quick match. It's fun too, it's not a stamina match. I don't need to do bull and eagle 5 times, or I don't need to do bull and eagle a total of best first to 5. That's a lot. For a match it's probably a 5-0. Parts thing weird. Leone is able to get going there. I think Leone has a better chance when he's launched him first, actually. So I'm going to keep switching. This isn't a rubber tip bay. So it's 3-1. L-Drago. L-Drago. Leone is going to have to make a pretty incredible comeback if he's going to win this. Nice. Drago, there he is. So it's 4-2. L-Drago. One win in L-Drago. Okay, so L-Drago won that. This will be a fun one to watch. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video, or stream. I should mention that, because I stream a little bit. But it's usually weird hours, my time, because I can't stream when people are working. My parents both work from home. They are lucky enough to be able to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video or stream.